A very good morning, students. Welcome to the e-classes of Rock Gold Academy. Today we will discuss class 2nd mathematics chapter number 6, that is shapes. So students, here is a story, right? Means here is a picture. You have to color your own words. See, here is a house, a rainbow, sun. You have to join all the dots and you have to color it. Okay. Here are some questions regarding this. What type of lines did you use for the following outlines? Means इनके लिए कौन सी lines हमने use की है? Means straight line की है या curved line की है? Okay. So the first is the door of the house. See this door. This is curved line or straight line? It is a straight line. So we will tick on this straight line. Okay. Next, the rainbow. See this one. This is a rainbow. This is straight or curved? It is curved. So we will tick on this curved. Last, the window. See these. These are the windows. These are straight lines. So we will tick on this straight. Next is our straight and curved lines. Straight lines can be drawn by moving a pencil along the edge of a book or scale. Okay, straight lines क्या है? Straight lines we can draw by moving the pencil along the edge of the book. Okay. Curved lines can be drawn by moving the pencil by free hand. Curved lines एक free hand से हम pencil से curved lines draw कर सकते हैं. See students, there are 3 types of straight lines. Okay, first one is horizontal line. We call it a sleeping line also. Second, vertical lines. This is called standing lines also. And last is slanting lines. These are horizontal lines, this is vertical lines, and these are slanting lines. Okay. So place a ruler horizontally in the space given below. Move a pencil along its sides. We get a sleeping straight. See, it is a ruler. Okay. So we have to draw horizontal lines by moving a pencil along its sides. See this one. We can move a pencil along its sides. And it is a horizontal line. Okay, sleeping line. Next, draw a yacht using only straight lines. Yacht means, yacht is a boat. A long boat is called as yacht. You have to draw here a yacht, a boat, by using only straight lines. Only straight lines you have to use and you have to color it. Okay. Let's come to some exercise. Here you have to use straight lines to match each animal with its food. स्ट्रेट लाइंस ड्रॉ करनी है एनिमल को उसके फूड तक पहुंचाने के लिए. ओके, सो रैबिट का फूड है हमारा कैरेट. सो वी विल ड्रॉ अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, यू कैन ड्रॉ दीज लाइन्स थ्रू दिस रूलर ऑल्सो. ओके, डॉग, स्ट्रेट लाइन टू अ बोन. बियर, स्ट्रेट लाइन टू अ हनी. ओके, नेक्स्ट, use curved lines to match the following. You have to use curved lines to match them. Students, you can draw a curved line like this also and you can draw like this also. It's a free hand. So, bread with butter, bat with ball. See, this one is a curve, no? Right? Cow with a baby cow and lion with a baby lion. Okay? Next is our join the dots using straight lines as follows. See, A to B, B to C, C to D, D to A and D to B. See, I have drawn here. Okay. First is there are dash standing lines. There are only one standing line. This one. B to D. So 1. There are dash sleeping lines. There are 2 sleeping lines. A to B and C to D. So 2 sleeping lines. Next, there are dash slanting lines. There are 2 slanting lines, C to B and A to D. So, 2 slanting lines. Next is shapes. Students, in first class, you have learned these shapes: triangle, circle, rectangle, squares, right? See this one. This is a side of triangle and these are the corner or vertex of a triangle, right? First is our triangle. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. The buntings are in the shape of triangle. Triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners and these buntings are in the shape of triangles. A square has 4 sides and 4 corners and all these sides are equal. See, these having 4 sides and 4 corners and these are all equal. This chessboard is like a square. Next is a rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. See, 4 sides and 4 corners, and the opposite sides of rectangle are equal. See, this one and this one is equal, and this is equal. The door is like example of rectangle. Next, a circle has no sides and no corners. Okay, and the ring is in the shape of a circle. Next, we come to an exercise. See, here we have to write the number of sides and corners of these shapes. Circle has 0 sides and 0 corners. This is a rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Square has 4 sides and 4 corners. And triangle has 3 sides and 3 corners. Next is our solid shapes. See, these shapes: square, triangle, circle, rectangle and ovals. These are flat shapes and they have no thickness. But these solid shapes like cuboid, cube, cylinder, cones and spheres, these are some solid shapes and they have some thickness. Students, do remember, for making a cube we need a square. See this, 1 square and 2 square. Okay, and when we join the edges, so it makes a cube. And to make a cuboid we need rectangles. See, like this, 2 rectangles, and when we join it make a cuboid. Cuboid. See this one, this is the face of a cuboid, these are the corners, and this is the edge of the cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Do learn it. A cuboid has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Each face of a cuboid is rectangular in shape. Some examples of cuboid are soap, matchbox, eraser. Cube. A cube also has 6 faces, 8 corners and 12 edges. Each face of a cube is square in shape, right? Some examples are dice, Rubik cube. Next is our cylinder. This is a cylinder, okay? It has no corners. Cylinder has no corners, but it has 2 circular faces. Okay, see this one, 1 and 2. Some examples are rolling pin, drum and gas cylinder. Next is a cone. A cone has 1 corner and it has 1 circular face. See, 1 corner and 1 circular face. Some examples of conical objects are birthday cap, ice cream cone. Next is sphere. Sphere has no corners and no edges. For example, globe, ball or a wool. Next we come to some exercise. Match the objects with the names of solid shapes they resemble. So we have to match these solid shapes with these names. So sphere, see this, it is a ball, it is a sphere. Cube, here is a Rubik cube, so it is a cube. Cuboid, this matchbox is a cuboid. Cone, this, okay, this cylinder, see here, right? Next, complete the table. See, this is a cube. Cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Sphere has 0 face, 0 edge and 0 corner. Cone has 2 face, 0 edge and 1 corner, and cylinder has 2 face, 2 edge and 0 corners. Our next topic is tracing flat shapes. It is also known as 2D shapes. Means we can draw some shapes by using these objects. See, like this is a book. It is in cuboid form, right? If we trace something, it can be drawn as a rectangle, right? This chalk box, from this chalk box we can draw a square, and from this birthday cap, a cone, we can draw a circle, right? Here is an exercise. We have to match the outlines to the correct shape. This rectangle, we can make it from a matchbox, right? So we will match it from this matchbox. Next, this small circle can be made by a birthday cap. This square can be made by a Rubik cube. And this big circle can be made by a cylinder. Students, this worksheet you will do it yourself, and then we will come to mental maths. First question is, which shape has 4 equal sides? 4 equal sides has a square has a 4 equal sides. Next, which shape have opposite sides equal to each other? Rectangle has opposite sides equal to each other. Next is our name a solid shape whose outline is circle. A sphere has a solid shape and its outline is circle. Next, name a solid shape whose outline is rectangle. It is a cuboid. And name a solid shape which has two faces as circle. It is a cylinder. So students, here is the end of the chapter. I hope you have understood whole chapter. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.